Hey, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to do a new style, but you can see that I have new growth. So I have about 4 months old new growth post relaxer. I'm supposed to do a relaxer touch up on this hair, but I want to wear it for another month because I have my brother's wedding to attend in about a month's time. So I want my hair to be slick for the hairstyle I would wear for the wedding. So here I am just doing a style I want to carry. I wish I would carry for 2 to 3 months. No, 2 to 3 weeks rather. So this hairstyle was inspired by a YouTuber here. Though she did hers with a passion twist braided. She braided it with a passion twist hair. But I thought since I already have a pre-braided passion twist for crochet, I can as well do this style, although mine will be a bit different from hers, but why not? So here, don't mind me, I'm just speaking on the phone with someone. So this is the hairstyle so far. This is like the braid pattern I want to use for this crochet hairstyle. I'm just doing simple cornrows. You've seen the back, that's an all back from half down, the half back part, and this is the half front part. So I'm just doing normal cornrows all back like so. And I must tell you, this style took a toll on my hands because it's been a while I braided my own hair. So this hairstyle took a toll on me. You can see it wore my hands out. We continue. So here I'm done with the braid part of this hair. That's the cornrows. I'm done with making the cornrows. Then I'm just twisting out the ends. This is because of what I want to do here. So you can see me here. I'm making a zigzag more like. I'm making a zigzag, and trust me, you need a mirror for this part. I'm making a zigzag, so I need a mirror to know exactly where to place the hair, so that I'll make sure I'm covering the right places. So I'm putting the hair in the right places. So the idea behind this zigzag is to ensure that when putting in the crochet, the braided passion twist, the pre-braided passion twists, when I'm using the crochet to put them in, I have enough platform to work on. That way that area will be covered, because hair from that part of my head will fall down and cover the other areas, thereby giving it a fuller look. So that's the idea behind this zigzag here. If it was going to be a full crochet on all my head, I would make a zigzag there while braiding the cornrow. But since that's not the case, I'm being creative and doing this here. So what I did here now is just to put the whole hair under the cornrows, hide the whole hair under the cornrows. That's what I'm doing with this crochet here. So I just go in, know where to put them, then like so. So I'm just going to quickly hide them under the cornrow. It doesn't matter where you hide them, because at the end of the day, the passion twist crochet hair is going to cover everywhere. So just normal hide them. So here I'm just going to start installing the crochet hair, the pre-braided passion twist crochet hair, using a crochet pin, basic crochet fixing style. I'm just going in with the pin, the normal crocheting method. You see, this is, like I said, is an already used pre-braided crochet hair. So I've used this hair before. I'm going to leave a link in the upmost part or in the description of the pre-braided of the first time I used this hair, how I braided it. and how I installed the style. You can see that it's a mixture of colors, but in this video or in this style, I'm choosing to use just this color for this hairstyle without the other blonder looking color. So you need a mirror to know where to fix this hair. That way it will close every gap. That's the whole idea, just to close all possible gaps, any kind of gap that will come up. So you're looking to check where to fix it. For this hairstyle, mirror is your friend. Mr. Mirror is your friend. I'm sorry, I have cough, but I have to post this video for you guys. So hey friend, are you still there? Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you. So quickly we proceed with the hairstyle. I'm almost done with fixing the crochet part of this hairstyle. I'm just putting on, since it's going to be a half hairstyle, I call it half. I don't know what to call this hairstyle. Let me know what you think I should call this hairstyle, because I've seen half up, half down. This hairstyle does not look like a half up, half down style. So let me know what you think I should call it. Half down, all back. Or if it already has a name, please let me know what the name is, because I really would like to know. Comment in the comment section what an adequate name should be, or what the name is already. So trimming the hair, because it's an old passion twist. It's an already used hair. I'm reusing it here. I had to do a lot of trimming. So here I'm just trimming the back, the hairs that I couldn't find. You need to fluff it out to weed out any hair that isn't that needs to be trimmed. So checking the ends, I trimmed more of the ends, checking the ends to ensure that there is no old looking or frizzy looking hair amongst them. And I am done finally with this hair. This is what it looks like finally. A bit of styling moves to just give it an extra hold, an extra shine. And this mousse, I must say, it really helps. It helped with the look of the hair. Like I said, it's a hair that I've used before, but this made it look it helped with making it look newer. So that. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the final look. Up close look. So this is how much hair is left. That's of the other color of the passion twist pre-braided hair. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.